Hey, welcome guys. In this video I am showing you how to enable the dark theme for your Windows Explorer in Windows 10. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. So in the new update of Windows 10 there is a new feature which is the dark theme for Windows 10 Explorer. So with that new feature you can turn your Windows default white theme into the dark one, which look damn cool. So let's do it. First open your Windows 10 settings and from there head to the personalization tab, and in the personalization tab select the colors tab, and in the right panel of colors scroll down to the bottom and you will see two options, one is light and one is dark. And if you enable the dark option it will enable the dark theme for you, and if you enable the light option it will enable the old white theme for you. So but if you can't see this option here, it's because you may not have this feature yet. So I'll recommend update your Windows 10 to the latest update available so you can use this feature. So that's all it guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video if it helped. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.